Lesson 3. Mastering Discursive Essays. Discursive writing at the intermediate level requires a formal style. You should use linking devices and complex sentences, avoiding colloquialisms, clichés, and over-generalizations. A standard discursive introduction moves from general statements down to a thesis statement at the end. Your body paragraphs should each contain a topic sentence, justification with support, and a concluding sentence. Let us look at 3 common essay types. First, the for and against essay demands a balanced discussion. This means giving comparable development to opposing sides, using separate paragraphs for each aspect. Do not use opinion words like I think in the body. Reserve your personal view strictly for the conclusion. Next is the opinion essay. Unlike the for and against format, an opinion essay states your clear stance early on in the introduction. In the body, you must include a paragraph that acknowledges the opposing viewpoint to show why it is less convincing, which strengthens your overall stance. Finally, we have the solutions to problems essay. Your introduction here outlines a problem alongside its causes and effects, usually without a forceful personal opinion. Each main body paragraph should propose one distinct solution and discuss its likely consequences. As with the other essay types, you should save your evaluative judgments for the conclusion. Across all discursive essays, ensure every claim is supported and avoid relying on emotional force without evidence.